Grow fruits, vegetables, herbs, or flowers, and sell them locally at farmers markets, through a roadside stand, or directly to neighbors and local businesses. Consider offering a subscription-based service where customers receive fresh produce regularly. Propagate and grow plants from seeds or cuttings and sell them to individuals or local garden centers. Specialize in rare or hard-to-find plant varieties to attract niche markets. Provide gardening services such as landscaping, lawn maintenance, or garden design. Offer expertise in organic gardening, pest control, or sustainable gardening practices. Share your knowledge by offering gardening classes or workshops in your community. Cover topics like basic gardening skills, organic gardening, or specialized techniques. Share your gardening experiences, tips, and advice through a blog or YouTube channel. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling gardening-related products. Create and sell homemade products such as organic fertilizers, compost, or natural pesticides. Design and sell unique gardening tools, accessories, or planters. Provide personalized advice and consultations for individuals looking to improve their gardens. Charge a fee for your expertise in plant selection, garden layout, and maintenance practices. If you have a large garden, consider renting out space to local farmers, community groups, or individuals looking for a plot to grow their own produce. Organize gardening events, workshops, or themed garden tours and charge admission fees. Collaborate with local businesses to sponsor or participate in your events. If you have artistic skills, create and sell garden art such as sculptures, plant markers, or decorative items. Sell your creations online or at local art fairs. Remember to consider your local regulations, market demand, and your own expertise and interests when choosing the best avenue for making money from gardening. Additionally, building a strong online and local community can help you market your products or services effectively.